Greetings, greetings. My name is Julian Andres Lukumi, and this time I'm gonna talk about my trip to Paris and new experience. My first visit to Paris was a remarkable experience. I decided to travel with my wife in the cold Christmas weather. We thought it was a great idea to behold the city of lights in the Christmas. It was a great feeling to arrive in this modern city. It was like a Venetian scene from the air. It was dark in the evening. The streets were crowded and people walking from store to store. There was something that caught my eyes, the Paris Opera House. I was fascinated seeing such a wonderful palace. We asked the driver hired by us to stop near one of the stations. When we reached the main road, we turned right and there was a big sign. We did not remember the road we took when we got down from the car, but we weren't worried about. We visited the Opera House and the Palace de la Concorde. Our favorite way to get around Paris was to walk, but we used the subway and regional trains to travel long distance or when we got tired. In our experience, we found that many people in the service and tourist industries could speak some English and would switch languages. When it became obvious, we knew very minimal French. That's all, and in fact, we have a very good moments. Perhaps our situation were not so good, but um, generally, this experience was one of the more wonderful I've lived so far. That's all. Thanks for watching.